Okay, you're welcome to the question for from 6 to 10. So we have number 6 here. We have number 6. We have how many ways are there to choose 2 people from 10 people? How many ways? We have what is called permutation and combination. So when you are trying to choose people, order is not important. The arrangement, the order is not important. So when order is not important, we will talk about combination. So we have 10 people in total. This is combination. We want to pick 2 from them. But when you have something like this, is equals to n factorial over bracket n minus r factorial. So we are going to use the idea now. So we are trying to say that our n here is 10, while our n here is 10, while our r here is 2. So let us use it. We have 10 factorial over bracket 10 minus 2 factorial, then 2 factorial is equal to 10 factorial over 10 minus 2 is 8 factorial, then 2 factorial. 10 factorial means, look at what it means. Factorial means 10 times 9 times 8 factorial. You can solve without calculator. Over, this is 8 factorial, then times 2 times 1. The reason why I don't want to continue with 8 times 7 times is because I have 8 factorial at the denominator. So 8 factorial will cancel 8 factorial. 2 here is 1, 2 here is 5. So I have 5 times 9 is equal to 45. And that is the answer. We go to number 2. Find the probability of selecting the letter S at random from the word statistics. What is probability? The number of required outcome over total possible outcome. So let's get the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The total is, there are 10 letters there. Then probability of getting S is equal to how many S are there? So we have 1, we have 2, we have 3. That is 3 over 10. And that is the answer. Let's go to the next ones. We go to number 8. Evaluate log 16 in base 2. So there are 2 ways you can do that. You can use the idea of logarithm, which is equal to log, what is 16 in index form? 2 raised to the power of 4 in base 2. So let us bring the power here in front. We have 4 log 2 in base 2 is equal to 4 times any number raised to its power of base. Any number to its base is 1. So 4 times 1 is 4. Or you can use the idea of indices. So this is log 16 in base 2 is equal to x. Then this base here will be raised to the power of what is at the right hand side, which is 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 16. Then 2 raised to the power of x equals to what is 16 in index form, which is 2 raised to the power of 4. Since the bases are the same, we equate the power. So our x is equal to 4. Still the same answer. Then they asked us number 9, what is the minimum value of 1? This 1 here, you know that anything multiplied by 1 is that. So we can leave it as x minus 6 raised to all square plus times minus is minus 8. Key fact, very important, that for real of x, this x minus 6 must be greater than or equal to 0. Must be greater than or equal to 0. So what do we mean by that? What number are you going to put here to be 0? Is plus 6. Are you seeing that now? So this is 0 once you get to this part now. So we now have 0 all square minus 8 is equal to minus 8. So the minimum value is minus 8. Number 10. We have number 10 here. Evaluate log 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in base 10. So this is log, this is 100,000. This is 10 raised to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 raised to the power of 5 in base 10 is equal to 5 log 10 in base 10 is equal to 5 times any number to its base is 1. So 5 times 1 is 5. And that is all. See you in the next video.